So hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Imtiaz. You're watching DXB Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today in this video we are going to talk about the product sent by Verel company. This is the product which I received yesterday. What do you think about this box? As I already know what's inside this box, so I will leave up to you guys to guess it what's inside this box. Let's unbox this product. Finally, I have unboxed this product. So tell me guys, did you guess it or not? No? Okay, no problem. I will tell you what product it is. So guys, this is the product what I'm going to talk about in this video. So let's begin. I know guys, you might be wondering, this is just a table. Yes, of course this is table, but do you guys know how beneficial is this in compact places? When you buy a table, normal table, you will get normal wood, but in this case you will get a waterproof wooden desktop. Isn't that cool? So this table is waterproof and anti-scratch, and it's very easy to clean, and it can be used for people of all ages. Okay guys, so main question, this table is for whom? So this table is for those who are studying nowadays due to COVID, and for those people who are working from home, and there are many YouTubers nowadays, they are doing live stream. So this table is just for them and people like me who are editing their videos. This table is very compact. Also guys, you will get lots of workspace here. You can keep your laptop there, you can keep your printer here, and you can keep your book as well as here. So we'll get very large workspace here. Now talking about the build quality. So guys, as you can see, this table is very strong with metal legs. As you can see here, this table comes with storage shelves which can be used for keeping your books, stationaries, and you can put your camera gear for easy access. Also guys, you will get this manual with this box, and it's very easy to assemble. Just follow the step and within 10 to 15 minutes you can assemble this table. So guys, I already told you very easy to assemble this product. Basically you will get this manual, you'll get the screwdriver, and this, as you can see here, alphabet mentioned here. This is G screw, this is K, this is V. So basically you just need to follow this manual, as this is number 1 plate, this is big one, and this is number 2. As you can see here, number 9 also mentioned. This table is very compact and I can fit perfectly, and this is very nice table because normally in our home we will not get more space. So here, as you can see, this table is very compact, and my armrest also, you see, I can sit here perfectly, I can edit my video here perfectly, I can work also here perfectly. So this table is just wow. So guys, this table I received from Verel brand. Verel is young and growing brand. If you want to purchase this table, there is link in description box below, so do check out if you are looking for compact desktop with multi-functions. Verel company, they have lots of products. You can check in description below. I will put some link. Go and buy your product. So guys, that's it from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new here, please consider the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you very soon in next one. So till then, bye bye.